Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 20 minutes to complete. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, rotate the lock cylinder to the run position. Insert a small screwdriver into the access hole beneath the lock cylinder. Depress the retaining pin and pull the lock cylinder from the column. To install the new lock cylinder, rotate it to the run position and push it fully into the port. Rotate the new lock cylinder through all positions to ensure proper function. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable.
Key programming procedure. Plug the programmer into the OBD2 port and wait for the programmer to beep. Insert the non-transponder key into the new lock while simultaneously holding the original key up against the steering column by the lock. Turn the key to the on position without starting and wait for the programmer to beep. Tech note: do not hold the original key next to the column or ignition after this step, as this will cause a programming failure. Insert the first transponder key. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. Wait for the programmer to beep. The programmer will begin a 10-minute security access wait. The LED light on the programmer will flash quickly during this time. The programmer will beep twice when security access is attained. The LED light on the programmer will flash slowly at this time. Immediately cycle the key to the off position, then to the on position, and back to the off position. Remove the key from the ignition. Wait 90 seconds until the programmer beeps twice. Reinsert the first new transponder key and turn to the on position. The programmer will beep once to signal the first key has been programmed. Remove the key from the ignition. Insert the second new transponder key and turn to the on position. The programmer will beep 3 times to signal programming complete. Unplug the programmer. Key programming is now complete.